Welcome to Geometry Zone. Today I want to discuss the converse of the first theorem on circle. That is, prove that if any straight line passing through the center of the circle bisect any chord which is not a diameter, then the straight line will be perpendicular on the chord. Let AB be a chord of the circle with its center at O, which is not diameter, and D is the midpoint of AB, that is AD equal to D. To prove OD perpendicular to AB, that is OD is perpendicular on the chord AB. Now construction, join OA and OB. Proof, in triangle OAD and triangle OBD, OA equal to OB, and they are the radii of the same circle. AD equal to DB, that is given, that is D is the midpoint of AB, and OD is the common side. So triangle OAD and triangle ODB are congruent to each other by SSS axiom of congruency. So angle ODA equal to angle ODB. They are the corresponding parts of the congruent angles. Since OD makes an angle on the chord AB, so angle ODA equal to angle ODB, that equal to one right angle. Hence OD is perpendicular on AB. Hence the theorem proved. Thank you. Visit again.